Castor oil. You might know it as a common household item, often found in kitchens and bathrooms. But did you know it has a rich history that spans thousands of years? This versatile oil comes from the castor bean plant, scientifically known as Ricinus communis. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians and Greeks, used it extensively for its medicinal properties. Egyptians, in particular, used castor oil to treat a variety of ailments, from skin conditions to digestive issues. It was a staple in their medical practices, often prescribed by their healers and physicians. Beyond medicine, they even used it for lighting lamps, showcasing its multifaceted utility. Across the globe, in ancient India, castor oil was also highly valued. It was incorporated into their traditional medicine system, Ayurveda, for its healing properties. Over the centuries, castor oil has stood the test of time, maintaining its relevance and importance. Today, it continues to be a popular natural remedy used in various wellness routines. Let's explore its amazing benefits, from promoting hair growth to soothing skin irritations, and see why it remains a beloved natural remedy. Castor oil is a unique natural oil derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. It has several properties that make it beneficial for both health and beauty. One key component is ricinoleic acid, a rare fatty acid. This fatty acid is what makes castor oil so special and effective. Ricinoleic acid has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce swelling and pain. It also has antimicrobial effects, making it useful for fighting infections. These properties contribute to castor oil's many health benefits, from soothing skin irritations to promoting hair growth. Castor oil is also rich in antioxidants, which are crucial for maintaining healthy cells. Antioxidants protect our bodies from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are harmful molecules that can lead to various health issues, including aging and diseases. From skin to hair to overall wellness, castor oil offers a lot of versatile benefits. Let's dive into its specific benefits and discover how you can incorporate this powerful oil into your daily routine. Dry, flaky skin? Castor oil might be the answer. This oil is a powerful humectant. Humectants attract moisture from the air. When applied to the skin, castor oil draws moisture in. This helps keep your skin hydrated and supple. It forms a protective barrier on the skin. This barrier prevents moisture loss. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to dewy, healthy skin. Worried about wrinkles and fine lines? Castor oil might be your new secret weapon. Remember those antioxidants we talked about? They play a crucial role here. Antioxidants combat free radicals. Free radicals are responsible for premature aging. By neutralizing free radicals, castor oil helps protect your skin. It can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Castor oil also promotes collagen production. Collagen is a protein that keeps our skin firm and elastic. The result? A more youthful and radiant complexion. Section 5. Banishing blemishes. Castor oil's potential in acne treatment. Acne can be frustrating, but castor oil might offer a natural solution. Its antimicrobial properties come into play here. These properties can help fight acne-causing bacteria. Castor oil can also help reduce inflammation associated with acne. It's important to note that research on castor oil for acne is ongoing. While some people experience positive results, it's not a guaranteed cure. If you're struggling with acne, consult a dermatologist for personalized advice. Section 6. From root to tip. Castor oil for a healthier scalp and stronger hair. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. Castor oil can play a significant role in scalp health. Its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe an irritated scalp. It can help reduce dandruff and itching. Castor oil can also moisturize the scalp. This is beneficial for those with a dry, flaky scalp. A healthy scalp provides the perfect environment for strong, healthy hair growth. Section 7. Luscious locks. Castor oil's role in hair growth and thickness. Many people dream of long, thick hair. Castor oil is often praised for its potential hair growth benefits. While scientific evidence is limited, there are anecdotal reports of its effectiveness. Some believe that castor oil's ricinoleic acid promotes hair growth. It might do this by increasing blood flow to the scalp. More research is needed to confirm these claims. However, many people swear by castor oil for thicker, fuller hair. Section 8. Deep conditioning. Castor oil for soft, manageable and lustrous hair. Looking for a natural hair conditioner? Look no further than castor oil. This oil is rich in fatty acids. These fatty acids can penetrate the hair shaft. This helps moisturize and condition the hair from within. Castor oil can make your hair softer and more manageable. It can also add shine and luster to dull hair. Say hello to healthier, happier hair. Section 9. Beyond skin and hair. Castor oil's potential wellness benefits. The benefits of castor oil extend beyond skin and hair. It has a long history of use in traditional medicine. It was used to alleviate constipation and promote gut health. Castor oil is believed to have anti-inflammatory properties. These properties might help reduce inflammation throughout the body. However, more research is needed to confirm these traditional uses. Section 10. Sweet dreams and pain relief. Castor oil for improved sleep and reduced muscle discomfort. Are you looking for a natural way to improve your sleep and reduce muscle discomfort? Many people struggle with getting a good night's rest and often wake up feeling sore and unrested. Some people find that castor oil helps them sleep better. Applying a small amount of castor oil to your skin before bed might be the solution you've been searching for. While research is limited, it's believed that castor oil's calming properties might promote relaxation. The oil is known for its soothing effects, which can help ease the mind and body. This relaxation might lead to better sleep quality. Imagine drifting off into a peaceful slumber, free from the worries and discomfort that usually keep you awake. Castor oil is also used topically to relieve muscle pain. If you experience muscle soreness, massaging castor oil into the affected areas can be beneficial. Its anti-inflammatory properties are thought to be responsible for this effect. The oil penetrates deep into the skin, providing relief from inflammation and pain. Gently massaging castor oil into sore muscles might provide relief. This simple practice can help you feel more comfortable and relaxed. Remember, consult your doctor before using castor oil for medicinal purposes. It's always best to get professional advice to ensure it's safe and suitable for your needs. With the right guidance, castor oil could be a natural addition to your nightly routine, helping you achieve better sleep and reduce muscle discomfort.